I am not an institute. I am Manasa Defence Academy. I am the only witness of my history, which is a narration of my past, super past, and great past. I do not speak about the present and future because I execute the present and dream about tomorrow. Even though tomorrow is sorely taste to me, it will definitely come, which I am ready for. I sweat rather bleeding. I create rather dreaming. I command rather demanding. I am an aura of the history. I do not have an identity, but the definition. I am the Manasa Defence Academy. I create a streak rather copying. I was born of spark of Kargil War in 1998. Since then, decided not to lose. My exits are open to losers because brave only can define me. Because I am the Manasa Defence Academy. I cannot be explained but be tasted. I believe my Tarjans who hail from the brave Bhumi. I have no place for cowards. I have been blessed for the victory, bravery, and curiosity. My delicious dish is success, victory, or nothing less than that. Because I am the Manasa Defence Academy. Creativity is my passion. Patriotism is in my blood. I am ready to lay down for sake of my motherland. Impairing my dignity is not allowed. Because I am the Manasa Defence Academy. Winning over is my constitution. Respecting elders is my prayer. Victory is my attitude. Those who respect my country, because I am the Manasa Defence Academy. The uniform is my pride. Goal achieving is my habit. Training is my passion. I set examples of my core values for future generations. I am the fuel for my armed forces. I train the soldiers who narrate the history in turn, because I am the Manasa Defence Academy. Bharat lives in me and I am the Bharat. I march when troop moves. I breathe when fighter flies in the sky. I smile when a ship sails. I hold my breath when Tiranga flies in the sky. Because I am the Manasa Defence Academy.